Instructional tutorial, I will be demonstrating an application that is called GradeProof. GradeProof is a simple but yet easy editing tool that students can use to help edit their essays. So what you see here on the screen is a sample file in the form of Google Docs, which I will use shortly to demonstrate how to use GradeProof application. But before that happens, the application has to be installed onto the computer. I already have installed on mine, but I will walk you through on how to install it onto your computer. So the first thing you need to do is to click on the add-ons buttons. And as you can see here, mine is already installed, but if you don't have it, then you need to click on Get Add-ons. And this box will show up. So you're going to type in the name of the application. So in this case, it's GradeProof. And then just click Enter, and here you go. If I did not have this installed, then here in the green box here, it was set free. And then you just have to click on that and then it will install on your computer. And when you're ready to start editing, then you just have to click on add-ons again. And as you can see, it shows up here. And then I will click on the Start button to start the editing process. And once I click Start, as you notice, it takes a few seconds for the application to analyze this writing here. And after its analysis, it gives me the different errors that it's found. And in this short piece here, it shows that there are three spelling, two grammar, one paraphrasing, and two eloquence sentence errors. And if you look down here this is where GradeProof is, I think, a little bit more powerful than Microsoft Word editing. Down here it has the statistics showing that the readability is at a 44% level, and the grade level is 10th grade. And it also shows the reading and the speaking time if you were to deliver this as an oral presentation. So here, then I'm going to click after viewing the statistics, I'm going to click on View Suggestions. And when I click on that, it takes me out of the Google document. And now I am working on the GradeProof editor screen. And as you can see, it highlights in red the spelling errors. And the gold colorish, it's the sentence with grammar issue. And the green is for paraphrasing. And of course, lastly, the blue is the eloquence of the sentence. So as you notice, learned, it is a correct spelling, but the normal way of spelling that we often see is the ED form. So I'm going to click on that. And then it takes me to writing, which is misspelled. And here are the suggestions. So I'm going to click on the first one. And as you notice, once you click on the error and make the correction, then the underline goes away. And nextly, I come to, if you notice, the green underline stands for paraphrasing, suggestion for paraphrasing. And here the sentence reads, it seems like if you were writing lots of stuff for your teacher. Well, lots of stuff is not using academic language, and you want to use that in your writing. So therefore, I am going to change, instead of lots, I'm going to say many. And many stuff doesn't make sense because stuff is a non-count noun. So I'm going to change that. And this is the thing. You can go in by clicking on the word And with the blinking cursor, you can go in and add any words that you think will be better. So I'm going to say, it seems like if you were writing many essays for your teacher, it would be really, really good. So here, really, really good, it's repeating. You just need one. So I'm just going to take away one, and it's going to say there should be spaces in between, and I'm going to take away one of the R's. So it reads, it would be a really good thing to have. The next errors I notice here, there's a repeat of twos. So I'm going to take away, click on so that only one two appears. Then patriotism is misspelled, so I'm going to click on the suggestion. And I'm going to ignore this. So as you can see now, once I do all the editing, all the underlined words have gone away. And if you look towards your right, now all the different errors go away. It's all zero. And once it is done, then you just have to click Apply Changes. And once this happens, it takes you right back to your Google document with all the correct changes. So I think that, in conclusion, I think that Grade Proof is a simple tool. It helps students to identify and correct their errors, but it also helps them learn about the mistakes by clicking on the suggestions, by seeing the mistakes and trying to figure out what was wrong with it and how to fix it. It can be a good tool over time to increase the ability in writing for students.